Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Analytics Portfolio Proof on LinkedIn detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Analytics Portfolio Proof on LinkedIn, start by opening your LinkedIn profile. Log into your LinkedIn account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or selecting View Profile from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the section where you can add skills and expertise. Click on the Add Profile section button. In the drop-down menu, select the option for Recommended. Then, choose Add Featured. Click on the Select links from the options presented. In a new window, paste your Google Analytics portfolio link. This link should direct to your shared portfolio that showcases your analytics work. Add a title for your portfolio that clearly describes your project or expertise. In the description box, provide a brief overview of the project and your analytics skills. Ensure that the visibility setting is set to public so that anyone can view your work. After entering all the necessary details, click the Add button to save this featured section. Your Google Analytics portfolio will now appear under the featured section of your profile. Make sure to regularly update this section with new projects to maintain an engaging profile. Visit your profile to review how it looks to others and ensure everything is displayed correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Google Analytics Portfolio Proof on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.